our leader. Yes, man.
Well, Mr. Davis, based on your qualifications and the outcome of this interview, I am pleased to say that the job is yours. Congratulations, man. Thank you very much, sir. I am very grateful for the opportunity and I'm very excited. Like, I can't wait to begin working here. Trust me, you are going to love working here. I can tell you that. I can feel it already. Boss. You have a good vibe, you know, Mr. Davis. We're having a drink up later, probably around 9 o'clock. You have to pass through, man. Pass through and come celebrate with us, you know. Celebrate the new job. Most definitely, boss. But first, me I gotta get a little mini celebration, you know, before me touch over there. I get my girlfriend pregnant tonight. I got money now. Hey, after all, man, you will be getting a hefty paycheck to take care of the family. Oh, yes, boss. Me I plan to sneak go over our house tonight when our parents them in there watch TV and just go upstairs and make love to her. Bam, bam, bam! What you say, Davis? Bam, bam, bam! Well, you're not easy at all, I tell you, man. You're definitely going to fit in here, you know. Yeah, you must kind of remind me of me when I was in my younger years. Yes, man, because I used to do the same thing with my wife, you know. I used to sneak in our house, you know what I mean, when our parents was not there, and bam, bam, bam! My wife is a nice woman, too, you know. She's a cutie. Your girlfriend look like my wife. I don't know your wife, you know, boss, but like, so Empress still she nice and cute. She cute, though. Boss. But I'm a daughter this. Epic fail. So do I still have the job? You're fired!